Welcome back to KK4. Today, we're diving into the incredible technology behind cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and how it powers the crypto world. Plus, stay till the end for details about our exciting KK4 Airdrop giveaway. What is blockchain? So how does blockchain power cryptocurrencies? Think of it as a digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently. But here's the best part. It's decentralized, meaning no single person or entity controls it. Transactions are verified by a network of computers, making it secure and trustworthy. Once a transaction is recorded, it can't be changed. This is called immutability. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and KK4, rely on blockchain to operate. Every transaction, whether it's buying, selling, or staking, is recorded on the blockchain. For example, KK4 uses the Solana blockchain, known for its speed, low fees, and scalability, making it perfect for gaming and Web3 projects. Don't miss our KK4 Airdrop giveaway. Here's how to join. Create a Solflare wallet. Copy your wallet address. Paste it in the comments section below this video. Blockchain is changing the world, and KK4 is at the forefront of this revolution. Don't miss out on this incredible journey. Hit that subscribe button, follow us for daily videos, and join the KK4 Airdrop today. See you in the next video where we explore how decentralization empowers crypto.